In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a forgotten PIN on your Windows 11 computer. So if you've forgotten the PIN code or the password to log into your PC, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways on how to go in and reset this. So the first method is when you're on this login screen, if you have another account that's also an administrator on this computer, then what you can do is you can go and sign in to that specific account. And once you're signed in, you can just open up your start menu. You can then search for Control Panel and click on this window. Make sure View By is set to large icons, and then you can scroll down and click on User Accounts. You can then click on Manage Another Account. You can then select the account that you're trying to change the password for, and you can go and change the password directly from this window. Now, if this isn't working or you don't have a second account, then another way to do this is when you go and enter an incorrect password when you're trying to log in, you'll also have this option that pops up for Reset Password. So you can try clicking this and going through the steps, and sometimes you'll be able to go and recover the password from here. Now, if you've tried everything and you still can't get into this account, then what you can do is just hold down the left shift key on your keyboard, and while holding this button down, click on the power button in the bottom right hand side. Now, while holding the left shift key button down, go and click on Restart, and then just wait for your computer to restart while continuing to hold this button down. Now, after about 10 seconds, you'll see this blue recovery page appear. You can then click on Troubleshoot from the list of options and go and press Reset This PC. Now, you'll have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. So I'm going to select Keep My Files as I don't want to delete my personal data. If for some reason this doesn't work, you can always try and remove everything as well. Now select how you want to reinstall Windows, either a local reinstall or a cloud download. So I'm going to press the local reinstall option, and you can just continue to go through these steps to reset your computer. Now, once you've done this and your computer's been reset, this will also reset and remove any passwords or PIN codes as well. So that's how to fix the issue where you've forgotten your PIN code. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.